There's the tree line in the hydro, March 31st. Ice is melted off. Not sure how the pole's still there. He's hanging on. I'm not sure how. But we'll walk under it anyhow. Great big pine used to hang out there and look really nice. It didn't last. Here we go. Pole used to be pretty straight, and it's as rotted as can be. I don't know how the bolt survived at the top. The woodpeckers have taken the top off. I really thought it would have made it and gone back up, but couldn't take it. Well, we'll go around the property. I have pictures I'll insert of when it was ice yesterday. Poplars going back up, or birch I should say. So we start there with limbs. There's the tamarack. It's totally bent over. It should come back. And then we lost all our crab apple type trees that flower nice. Big cedars. We come over and down to the pond. All the pines within there will all snap. Come down. And the last two pines, they made it. They were bent right over, but a bunch of them gone. Just tore down. Now on the other side of the pond you can see some cut off stumps. I had great big trees all sticking over the pond, which I just cut off a week ago. Don't have to clean those up now. Come down to our polytunnel, our greenhouse, and again, just last week I took down all these trees here, which would have been on top of I didn't quite get to this old cedar covered in grapevine, so it's down for me now. And this tree, it would have all bent right over. And then we go to the other side. And we got all the breakage on this side. The only reason I think we got these cedars left here is the old ones are almost a support for it when it all fell over. The big Manitoba maple there broke, of course. I was going to get rid of that. And we come up to the house. House is fine. Trees all broken here. This pine tree's starting to come back up. Although I was going to get rid of all this actually for that reason. And now our big cedar forest used to be out our backyard. Literally snap, snap, snap yesterday. I'll put pictures of those. The one snapped so hard it broke every branch off of that cedar tree. There was 2 bundles I think went down at that time. And of course on the other side of here, all kinds of breakage. Tons in the neighbor's backyard. The other side of the property line of my neighbors here, you can start to see the other side of our cedar forest. Just kick a big beating. Really didn't see the neighbors before. Do now. There's my place through the woods now. Yeah. And we come back up to our corner. The big green ones survived. My big tall ones are still there. I think they're like a Douglas fir or something. And then our cedar on the front lawn, totally smacked over. Just a bit of work for cleanup. The lilac trees kind of broken. And it's all over for now. Hope my pole hangs in. No power yet, but I don't believe it survived, but it did. I saw it bend over first, start to push, push, push. I was walking up my staircase, which is close to the mast of the house. The staircase vibrated with a big smack. And then I came out and there it was. Little tree trimming. No shortage of trees. The forest all day long down there was just snap, crackle, clap. Up from the deck view. Forest lines. You can see the cedar forest we used to have, which basically all the ones that have snapped were actually as tall or taller than the couple that have sprung back up now. All the way along there, there's many missing, so that kind of came off that top one over there, and there used to be cedar all the way across and all the way out. Not now. It'll grow. It'll all fill in. The cedars are good for that, at least, hopefully, that they don't die. That's it.